welcome back to the channel. Your girl is back, and today we have a hair review. Thank you Alipearl for sponsoring this video. I have on this 22-inch deep curly unit. It is so beautiful. The curls on this are so nice, and I know that now the weather is warmer, so a lot of you are going on vacation, you got birthdays coming up, you know, just a whole lot of things. This hair is so pretty. I just love how deep these curls are and how soft it is. I experienced minimal shedding while installing this, and I feel like this will be just the perfect summer vacation hair. This unit also comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached, so install is no mess, takes you no time. You can literally just pop it right on. I do want to give a little bit of a disclaimer. Your girl is not a hairstylist in any shape or form. You know, we just did our best to install this, but I feel like it came out really nicely. So if you are interested in the details of this hair and learning about how I styled it, stay tuned for this video. Okay, so let's get right into this install. As you can see, the lace is already pre-plucked and bleached for you, which is super convenient. Here I am just putting on the unit and making sure that it is tightly secured on my head, just securing it a little bit more, taking away any flyaways so everything can have a smooth base. The curl pattern on this is so pretty and luscious. Like when this is defined and even when it's dried, it's so nice. So I'm just gonna go in and cut the lace. I like to use an eyebrow razor because I feel like this gives the lace a little bit more of a realistic cut that's similar to a natural hairline. So when you do use this, it's a lot easier to guide it as you're cutting the lace. So just checking out the lace, making sure that everything is good before I continue. And now we are going to start customizing it to our skin tone. I just use a concealer that I get from the beauty supply. Something that's pretty much my skin complexion or a little bit darker, just so we can tint the lace. And then I top it off with some of my Sephora foundation powder. This just goes the extra step so you can really blend and melt that lace. I am typically not a glue girl. I love a glueless unit, but when I am trying to have a little bit more of a secure unit, I will use the Even spray. It just gives a great hold, and I tend to see that it holds on my head for a good amount of time, so I love using it. I'm just going to take this Alipearl resistance band so we can further melt our lace in and just make sure it's nice and scalped. And while I'm waiting for the lace to melt down, I'm just going to adjust it and make sure that it's properly placed on my head. And now we are going to go in to define these curls. So for this, all you need to really do is just simply use water and submerge the hair. Make sure that everything is evenly coated. I go in and do both sides and just kind of run my fingers through it. What I like to do also is just use like a curling cream. You can pretty much use anything of your choice and make sure that that is coated on the hair as well, because we really want to define these curls and make sure once it dries they look really juicy and luscious. So now I'm just going in, showing you guys the curl pattern. It's so pretty. And what I like to also use the curling cream for is just to give the hair a little bit of that sheen. So we're just going to make sure all that product is nicely placed in the hair strands. And now take off our lace band, and as you can see, the hair is melted, girl. It is so melted. The part looks so good, and it's pretty much just ready to go, like straight like that out the box. The curls are perfect, and this is so beginner friendly and so good. Okay guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this install, and if you are interested in purchasing this hair, definitely check out the description box below for more details plus my discount code. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you get notified every time I post a video. See you guys on the next one. Bye.